think I should be live. Let me check with on my twit not not Twitter on YouTube, and we'll see what's happening. Okay, this is always weird because Twitter doesn't show you the link or let you copy the link. Okay, I am live. Okay, this is cool. We we are live. Let me just check few things, and then we are good to go. I just want to set this thing up. Okay, give me a second. No, studio live now. Hey, live now. Yeah, yeah now. Join in. Okay, this should work. Let me. Yeah, now. Okay, I'm live. Everything is up and running. Let me. Okay, let's start by looking at Polymarket subgraph. Also, I guess I should update the Notion. I always forget that part, which is not great. Stream schedule part 1. Okay, part 1 is part 2. Then do duplicate, put it here. Do part 3, remove the. Also, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go to the Notion, that is Notion page, that is in the description, or I'll also put this in comments. Pin message, pin message. Okay. Okay, okay. We were working on the sport book oracle, right? Sport book oracle subgraph yesterday. If you remember this part, we have done this, and now we want to start this one. So let's go to sport book. Also, I guess I need to open an online editor. This should show us multiple things. Okay, this text should be fine for you guys to see. Yeah. Now, what we want to do, we want to go to Sportsbook Oracle, then UMA Sportbook Oracle mapping. Okay. Also, we should check this part. It's saying ABI mapping event handler. So we need to create how many are there? Okay, I guess there are 11 events that we need to index. Okay, that's fine. That there is no issue with that. Also, let me show you here in the config. We have done inline. Give me a second. Yeah, we have done inline events. Let me also show you how to use ABI file instead of adding the whole event here today in this stream. So we have ABI, and what ABI is this? UMA Sports Oracle. UMA Sports Oracle. Let's copy this. Function. Okay, let's do event. Okay, hopefully this works. New folder ABI, ABIs, then new file UMA Sports Oracle dot JSON. Okay, cool. That works. Now we just need to figure out this part, which is address and start block, which is in networks.yaml. UMA Sports. Okay. What network? It's Matic. Cool. We have found address that we want. Name UMA Sports Oracle. Address Sports Oracle. Also, I think I should put them in folder. So wallet handlers, then move all of them here. Yes. Okay, this is good. Now we just need to modify this wallet handlers slash, not capital W. We'll also add this here. Go to relay hub, same thing, and we'll modify this to say sports, or we can say UMA Sports Oracle handlers, and new file UMA Sports Oracle.ps. We need to modify this. Also, let me check docs for using ABI files because I haven't used them. Local ABI import. Okay, no, not this one. ABI troubleshoot. Okay, let's figure it out. I do I do know few things, so we'll do ABI file path, then source slash ABIs slash JSON, then start block that we need to get from here. Okay, now we need to do events, and then event, let's copy them from here. Okay, there are 11, right? 1 2 3. Let me copy them one by one. Also, how many people are there watching the stream? Don't know. Anyway, okay, we were at emergency, it's cancelled. Now we want game paused, game unpaused, market created, market paused, market unpaused. Okay, cool. This should be fine. Let's run pnpm code gen and see if we get an error. Okay, we don't get an error, any error, so this is great. Let's do import UMA Sports Oracle generated. UMA Sports Oracle. Then now we need this file to understand what logic we should use. Okay, game created. Let's start with game created dot handler. Okay, sorry. Oh, now we just need to save the data. Okay, at this point, let's use event dot params dot. Now we have ancillary game data, game ID, ordering, timestamp, and home score, away score. Okay, so these two will be 0, and these three are parameters. So why they are not using? Do they have game ID? Yes, game ID is there. State. Okay, we need to understand the state. Let's see. Game constants created, settled, cancelled. Okay. So what we can do is we can use enum again, and that should be fine. Let's remove this. Sorry about that. Yeah, GraphQL schema. Open this. Type market entity, market ID, payouts. Payout set, payouts set when market is resolved. Okay, this is the entity I am more interested in, because if this array gets too big, it will create an issue. So that's why I want to understand Let's do market.payout. Can I just do like payouts? Okay, I guess the array won't be that big because it's this. It's we are getting that array from. Sorry, we are getting that array from the event, and there is no reason they will make that big of an array, which our indexer can't handle. Yeah, that's my assumption. So let's stick with that. Okay, back to schema, market ID, game ID. Okay, let's focus on game first. That's more important. We have to go here. Let's put we'll do entities related to wallet subgraph. Will do wallet indexer. Next, okay, that's good. Let's remove the entity. I don't know what to call it. What was the correct word to call it? So yeah, then ancillary data, that string. If we go at the top, ancillary data is hex to string. Okay, and what type are we getting here? So event dot params dot ancillary data, which is already string. So there is no issue there. Cool. Ordering ordering get ordering, which will be in utils. Yes, home or away. So we can do here. It's ordering and enum, ordering home. Can I use this away? So here also we can do. I don't know if we can do. So let's try using that and run Codian again. Yes, it's working properly, so we know it's okay. Um, Sorry. Oh, okay. So we need to use safe. Cool. Let's see if we get. Yes, we do get that. So ordering is these two values and home away Spreads market. Okay, we are not in market type. We do want this part, which is what? State. Okay. Enum game state, and we'll just copy all these. Emergency settled. Okay, that's good enough. We'll do game state. Okay, home score big int, away score big int. That's okay. Now we need to go and check this function. What we should do is do do get or throw. If we okay, no, we can't. It's saying we can't do get or throw. What we can do is get, and if it's not null, then throw an error. If it's null, then it's okay. So const game equal to con await context dot game set game id. If not game, new game. Okay, new game. Then we need to do ancillary. Sorry about that. Now we need to do new game. Give it a type. What type is that? That's my question. I guess game. Yeah, game equal to event.game id. Then ancillary data equal to ancillary data game. Okay, no, state equal to, do we have created? Before that it's ordering, and ordering is, we have two, home or away. I want to check what get ordering, that's function. Okay, if it's 0 or 1, so 0 is okay, cool. I guess what we can do is event dot ordering equal to 0, home or away. Convert this to number. Okay, that works. And last part is score. Home score begin 0, away score begin 0. Okay, great. Otherwise, we'll do context.log one game with ID error in indexer. Game with ID already exists. Okay, this is good enough for us right now. Next, what we want to do. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just put this in ChatGPT and ask it to improve it. Cool. It, it didn't do that much, but okay, this is okay. This is good enough. It just first like deconstructed the parameters, and instead of if else, it's doing if. And yeah, if it already exists, throw an error, otherwise set. Cool. Next, what we want to do is game settled. Game settled handle const event dot params dot away game home ID. Just keep that in mind. Away game ID and home. Okay, so with this, hey, cool. Someone is watching. Hi there. I guess it's wisdom, but let's see. I may be wrong, but anyway, thanks for joining the stream, and let me know if you have any questions. Happy to answer those. Yeah, okay. We are working on game settled event, which has these three parameters, and we need to make this change the state basically. Do if, okay, no, let's do const existing game ID. This should be error, not warn, because there is some issue there. Cool. Settled home away. Okay, we need to change this. Let's use let and modify this. Existing game equal to spread the existing game, then settled home score, and this should be it. Okay, great. Now next part is emergency settled. Same thing that we did here, but Yeah. Game cancelled, whatever the score is, then game paused, game okay. I'm not sure why game state created. Shouldn't that be something different? Okay, unpaused. Yeah, for unpaused, that's correct. Game cancelled. I want to check. Okay, that's the only game ID we have. Error, cancelled state. Okay, that's good. Also, I think I should ask Copilot to abstract this. Okay, no, let's first create this, create all of them, and then we'll abstract it. Is the same thing for every. Okay, no, emergencies. I guess we have done emergency settled, right? No, we haven't. Where is created, then settled, then cancelled, paused, and okay, emergency settled is not there. And we want to do what's UMA Sports Oracle, game unpaused, handler, game ID created. Okay, this is good enough. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are there should be 6 event handlers. Okay, and there are 6 event handlers. Cool. Let me check which of these I can abstract. Open chat. Can you refactor these handlers to abstract away few things? Okay, okay, it should be fine. I don't think that there will be any issue. But yeah, let's wait for it. Till then, we'll do the next part, which is market. Market created, market resolved, emergency resolved, paused, unpaused. Okay, it's the same thing. Similar to game, we are just doing the same. Okay, give me a second to figure this out. Or not me, the copilot to figure this out. And we'll see if everything works without any error. If it does, we'll try to run the indexer and see if we get any data. Okay, um, I don't know. Someone was watching for a few minutes. That's good enough. But they didn't send any message. Let's see. Why? How many minutes were they watching? Okay, I don't really like this part. Will Okay, let's wait and see what's happening, because I don't really like this part where they are not, it's not actually using anything. But waiting might be okay, just to understand how it, to see how it modifies the things. Mm, So I don't like this any part, which really, which is really irritating. Game handler ordering type should be string or number. But here, okay, good enough. Yes, yes, okay. I do appreciate this part. The the abstractions, they are good. But the one thing that I really didn't like is this any. And for ordering, we need to do number. For context, and in both contexts, if you go here, context dot, there is nothing. So can you modify this to make sure context has a type in in create game or get game, get and set function. I want to access the methods with IntelliSense in it. This might be wrong, the spelling, but it should be fine for now. Yeah. Also, let me know if you're liking the stream. I know people, I know someone watched it, but not sure if they are still there. Yeah, let's wait. We don't really have. Okay, till it abstracts things away, we'll go here and check our next thing, which is PNL. Oh, one thing. Okay, this is way bigger subgraph. Let's see. Let's check order book. Order book might be simpler. Yes. So if we go here and see entities and events, so there are three events, where there are two: negative risk exchange and exchange. Are we doing negative risk exchange? Okay, I don't know. Okay, we still have 20 more minutes. Let's see. Okay, it does handler context, which is totally wrong. If you see here, oh, is it actually correct? I guess it is. Okay, I don't trust this part, so sorry about that. We were here, right? We'll do pnpm code gen. Really? We go to handler context. Okay, there's a game, read only game, then wallet and global USDC balance. Okay, this is great. I don't have any issue with that. Cool. Give me a second. I'll be back in 5 minutes and we can talk more about this again. Okay. Yeah, we were working on this part, right? Uh, Sorry, we were not working on this. We were working on abstracting things, and right now, yeah, right now, what we have done, we did get handler context, and with that, we do have context dot log. Okay, so you see, if we go in the actual handler and do context dot log, okay, context. Also, I don't think that's correct. Let me go to this and do context dot. Oh, I guess I was wrong. Anyway, then this is correct. With context, you can access log, then do one log, whatever is there. Cool. And it's using this context. It's taking a function, modifying it. What else? What else? Okay, I don't think there we need anything else here. So let's go and modify. Let's go and create the market related functions. Give me a second. Okay. Market related functions, and we can always do the same modification for them that we have done here. Okay. What we want to do, sorry about that. Give me a second. You guys can hear me. Let's do market related events handlers. Okay, cool. What do we want? What do we want? I guess nothing else. This should be fine. Yeah. Now let me check something. Okay, market created. Do we have market in schema? No, we don't. So check schema, market type, market state. Okay, so we need to go to constants. We have market state. Do we have market type? Get market underdog, market type. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3 money lines, spreads, and totals. So those are the market types. Let's copy this. Now we need enum market state. That's not a state. That's just autocorrect. Created, resolved, paused, and emergency resolved. So that's market state. Then we need market type, which we saw here. It's money line, spreads, and totals. Okay, we can use this. Enum market type. We'll use the same names. So when user is using this, they don't have to think about it. Okay, we have one major change, which is wallet type. They were using type as the key here, but we can't use that, so we used wallet type. And the rest of the things, it's okay. Okay, market type. Remove the entity. We don't need that. Big int. Cool. Now we can go here and modify that. Okay, cool. Uma sportsbook dot market created. Okay, this is wrong. Let me do events dot params dot all these. Okay, condition ID. Are we using that anywhere? Condition ID. Okay, for some reason I don't see it here. Market state, market type, line payout. Why? Condition. Okay, for some reason they are not using condition ID, and I don't know the. Then why is it in event in the first place? That's my question. Underdog. Do we have that? Yes, we do have underdog. Market type, market ID, line, game ID. We have all those events. Let's do const equal to event.params, game ID, market ID. Yes, market type, underdog, line. Cool. Now we need to do if market. Okay, const market. We haven't regenerated the types or created the types. That's why we got that error. Here we'll do one. Okay, great. new market ID. Here I want market as the type. Let me check. Market type, go to this function. It's checking. Okay, this is begin. Okay, if market is equal to winner spreads, is it, will it be 0 1? Yeah, I guess it's 0 1 provided by source graph. Winner is 0, this is 1, else we can go to totals. Okay, so what we should do is we should have like a function. For now I'll just write it here. Get market type, number will return string. If 0, then do money line, else if spreads, and then I guess totals. Totals or total? What totals? Okay, that's totals. Spreads. I want to check market type. Okay, we can't actually access it, so I want to make this safe, type safe, but let's see. This, then do number, market type, get underdog, 0 is home, and yeah, so here we can do underdog equal to 0, then home or away. Change this to number. And last is, what's last part? We have 1 2 3 4 5 6. We do 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 3 2 3 5 6 payouts. Okay, we are missing one, right? We have ID, sorry, we have ID, then game ID. Okay, we don't have state market created. Okay, state created, and final is payouts, which is empty array, and this should be it. So yeah, we have done this. Okay, uh For now, we'll stop this stream. I already started stream late and I don't want to go over the time limit. But tomorrow, if I am here, uh, I'm going out for some function. If I'm back in time, I'll do the stream. Otherwise, we'll see what to do. But okay, cool. Hopefully, you are liking this uh, what series, and we'll come back here for tomorrow's part. And okay, see you guys tomorrow. Cool. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to check out NVO at nvo.dev and follow me on Twitter. All of this is in Notion, which is in the video description or in the chat if you're watching right now. Cool. Now, actually, bye.